Boeing's been a partner with Saudi Arabia now for almost 80 years. We have right now over 400 defense capabilities in the kingdom operating. And that makes Saudi Arabia one of our largest partners in the world outside of the United States. We want to be more than just a platform provider, and we are. We have a strategic partnership with Saudi Arabia, and we intend to keep that growing and going. Since 1985, we've been very involved with several Saudi Arabia companies. We're working on things like industrial collaboration and working on the supply chain. Saudi Arabia is very important for us in those areas. And over the past decade, we've hit several milestones where we've been able to collaborate even closer. For example, we have a letter of agreement right now with SAMI, which really incentivized more than a 55% to Saudi on all MRO work with our defense platforms. And we also have a joint venture currently with SAMI also on all MRO with our rotorcraft platforms. We continue to invest, and anytime we make an investment here, it's good for both Saudi Arabia, and it's also very good for Boeing. So we continue to work on such things in the future as maybe additional F-15EX aircraft for Saudi Arabia, or potentially upgrading the vast number of F-15s that Saudi Arabia already operates. Saudi Arabia right now is the largest operator of F-15 aircraft in the world outside of the United States. So that's one of the areas where we're looking to see how we can participate and become more of a part of the infrastructure here.